From time immemorial, dreams have captivated the human psyche, serving as a source of mystery and wonder. These nocturnal narratives, often awash in vivid imagery and emotions, have left us pondering their meaning. Ancient civilizations, such as the Egyptians and Greeks, placed great importance on dreams, believing them to be a conduit to the spiritual realm. They developed systems of dream interpretation to decipher hidden messages within these experiences. In many indigenous cultures, dreams continue to hold deep spiritual significance, connecting individuals to their ancestors and the natural world. The allure of dreams lies in their capacity to transport us beyond our waking reality, where the impossible becomes possible. As we delve into lucid dreaming, we embark on a journey of self-discovery, unlocking the potential to shape and control our dream experiences. Imagine a dream where you become aware that you are, in fact, dreaming. This awareness, this sudden jolt of lucidity, is the hallmark of lucid dreaming. Unlike ordinary dreams, lucid dreaming empowers us to become conscious architects of our nocturnal narratives. In a lucid dream, the dreamer is an active participant, capable of influencing events and interacting with dream characters. This heightened awareness opens up a world of possibilities, enabling us to explore our subconscious minds and confront our fears. The experience of lucidity can vary in intensity and duration, from fleeting moments to extended periods of immersion. By gaining conscious control over our dreams, we unlock a powerful tool for personal growth, self-discovery, and psychological healing. Unlocking the door to the lucid dream world might seem daunting, but it's an attainable skill with consistent effort and the right techniques. Here are practical steps to guide you. 1. Keep a dream journal. The foundation of lucid dreaming is remembering your dreams. Jot down details upon waking to strengthen dream recall. 2. Reality testing. Throughout the day, question if you're dreaming. Look for inconsistencies or try to push your finger through your palm. 3. Mnemonic induction of lucid dreams or mild. Before sleep, visualize yourself becoming lucid and repeat the phrase, "I will know I'm dreaming." 4. Wake back to bed or WBTB. Set an alarm to wake you after 5 to 6 hours of sleep, stay awake for 20 to 30 minutes, then go back to sleep. This interruption can increase the likelihood of entering a dream directly from waking consciousness. With these techniques, you can increase your chances of experiencing lucid dreams. Consistent practice and dedication are key to unlocking the magic of lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming, like any powerful tool, comes with its own set of benefits and potential drawbacks. Benefits: overcoming nightmares. Lucid dreaming can empower those who suffer from recurring nightmares to confront their fears and change the course of the dream. Enhancing creativity. The limitless nature of the dream world provides fertile ground for creativity to flourish. Exploring consciousness. Lucid dreaming offers a fascinating window into the nature of consciousness itself. Risks: sleep disruption. The excitement of inducing lucid dreams can interfere with sleep quality. Prioritize a healthy sleep routine. Dissociation. In rare cases, individuals may experience difficulty distinguishing between waking life and dreams. Approach lucid dreaming with caution. Responsible exploration is key. Always approach lucid dreaming with respect for its power and seek guidance if needed. Understanding both sides is essential for a safe and rewarding experience. Mindfulness, the key to unlocking dream control. The path to lucid dreaming is often paved with mindfulness. Meditation, a cornerstone of mindfulness, trains the mind to become an impartial observer of thoughts and sensations. Regular meditation strengthens your metacognitive abilities, crucial for recognizing the dream state. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily life. Pay attention to your senses and observe your thoughts without getting carried away. Visualization techniques can also be used to mentally rehearse becoming lucid. By cultivating mindfulness through meditation and visualization, you train your mind to become more aware and observant, both in waking life and in the dream world. This heightened awareness can be the key to unlocking the door to lucid dreaming. The science behind dream manipulation. While lucid dreaming feels like stepping into a science fiction novel, it's rooted in our neurobiology. Our sleep cycle is divided into stages, with REM sleep being the stage where vivid dreams most often occur. During REM, our brain activity resembles wakefulness, yet our bodies are paralyzed, preventing us from acting out our dreams. Lucid dreaming happens when the prefrontal cortex, responsible for self-awareness, becomes active during REM sleep. This activation allows us to gain consciousness within the dream, giving us the ability to manipulate the dream environment. Research suggests that experienced lucid dreamers show increased activity in brain areas associated with metacognition and voluntary control. Understanding the science behind lucid dreaming empowers us to harness this phenomenon for personal growth and well-being. Unleash your potential. Embrace the power of lucid dreaming. The ability to lucid dream is more than just a fascinating curiosity, it's an invitation to explore the uncharted territories of your own mind. Imagine a world where you can rehearse for a big presentation, confront a recurring nightmare, or simply fly through the air. This is the world that awaits you in the realm of lucid dreaming. The journey may begin with a dream journal and a commitment to remember your dreams. It might involve reality checks and visualizations before you sleep. With persistence and practice, the door to lucid dreaming will swing open, inviting you to become the conscious architect of your own dreamscape. Embrace the power of lucid dreaming and discover the boundless potential that lies within you.